Hello friends, here with another origami tutorial. Today we are going to learn how to make a paper plane. First of all, you have to take a piece of paper, fold it into two equal halves and press well. Now form a triangle and press it. Now from the other side, repeat the step. Fold it like this and press well. Now fold it inwards. Fold the leaf type structure from one side and then the other. Turn it and fold the bottom. Like this. Then from the other side, repeat the step. For the wings, fold it like this from one side and then the other. Now fold it like this from one side and repeat this step from the other and press it well. Now adding some details from one side and then the other. Fold it like this. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. You may visit our channel to have the glance of more origami tutorials like this. You may share this video with your friends, family members and relatives. Don't forget to press the bell icon to remain updated. Giving some shapes to the edges. and it's done. See you in the next video. Till then, take care.